Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1972 to discover the Brandy Alexander. You are going to love this cocktail. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you. As you can see, today is cocktail day. And it is also the last episode of our Thanksgiving series. I hope you're going to try some of the recipes. They are just fabulous. So, Brandy Alexander, very, very popular in the 1960s and 1970s. There are stories of its creation anywhere between the 1880s and the 1920s. All of them sound good. No one knows for sure, so we're just going to cut to the 1960s. Our little cocktail started getting mentioned and started being shown in TV and movies around that time, and everyone's like, what is this? I want one. And this cocktail will be perfect for Thanksgiving or anytime throughout the year. So this is a super, super easy cocktail. I have my shaker full of ice, and now it's just 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So as many as you want. This is the base recipe. So the first thing you want is 1 shot of brandy in our little, in our little Yester Kitchen shots. Do you need one? Of course you do. The link is down in the description. So in goes 1 shot of brandy, and that is for our Brandy Alexander. And next, I have Creme de Cacao. Creme de Cacao there's 2 kinds. There's a clear one and there's a brown one. I recommend getting the clear one because that way you can mix it into other things like, oh, do you remember our grasshopper cocktail? Like that, and it doesn't change the color. So I have 1 shot in a glass Yester Kitchen. Yes, there's 2. Right in the cocktail. And the last thing you're gonna want is some cream, or half and half. Either one will be great. And what you're gonna do is just add 1 shot of cream. And my friends, all you do is you shake and you're done. So let's go do that right now. You don't want to shake it crazy. You just want to give it a gentle shake, or else you're going to get ice chips in your drink, and that is not good. There we go. Enter martini glass. And in we go. Look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous. And now to top it off, you want to use fresh nutmeg. You can probably get away with the kind that's already grated, but I promise you, nutmeg fresh is so much better. So this is what a little nutmeg looks like. And this is what a little nutmeg looks like on the inside. Isn't it cute? So we're just going to I'm using a microplane. You can use a cheese grater, either one, and you're just going to grate some fresh nutmeg right over the top. Not a lot, just enough to give it a very, very pretty finish. And there you have it, your Brandy Alexander. It is phenomenal. So simple to make, so delicious. Even try it for dessert. Oh, your guests will go nuts. Thanks for stopping by. You can share your recipes or make requests by joining my Facebook group. I'll see you in the next video.